So here we have Akona.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, I got the pronunciation. So yeah, we'll be getting started in the beach right now.
Right now we're picking the outfits.
Okay.
Seeing what we're working with.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tim and today I'm at the studio, and as you guys can see, I'm actually shooting with a continuous light today. My trigger for my camera wasn't in my studio, so I had to use continuous light, and that's just this very large light source right here. And as you guys can see right here, I placed a black fill right here, and the reason behind that is I don't want the light, because it's a large light source, I don't want the light just blowing out, so I had to darken I had to use this flag to cut the light from hitting the background. And yeah, I also have the negative fill right here just to create more contrast on the face of the model. So yes, come along with me as we tend to like do the shoot. So guys, the camera I decided to use for the shoot was the Fujifilm XT5, and also the lens I used was the Fujifilm 35mm f2, and also I used my 56mm for the close-up images. So guys, I decided to add the air light to this particular look just to create a little bit of separation between the subject and the background.
I know you push the hips this way. Can you do it that way? Yes, that way. Cool. There, stay. Beautiful. Yeah, that's more like it for me. Stay. I'm good. Because I'm trying not to make that light hit the background. Just you. Beautiful. Chin up a little bit for me. And tilt your head a little bit this way. Love it. Okay. Dark skin girl like Lupita. Using a continuous light and add light source this time. There's no modifier on the light, and this is the current look I'm trying to go for. The reason why I decided to keep most of the looks almost the same is because I'm just trying to have that consistency in all of the look right now, and that's the reason why. So I decided to use more of a white background. So my current setting is I'm shooting at shutter speed of 400, aperture of 3.6 and ISO of 800. I know you guys are gonna be like, ISO of 800 in the studio, why? Yeah, that's because of the current aperture I'm shooting and because it's a continuous light setup, so it doesn't have enough power to be able to like give me the juice. So oh, love it, love stunning. Bring your shoulder, oh, take the legs back there, bring the shoulder that way. No, that way. Yeah, that way. Yeah, cool. All right.